In today's video, I'm going to teach you how does Adobe eSignature work. Even though we're focusing on approvals inside Microsoft 365, this walkthrough will show you how to route a document for sign-off and keep a digital trail, and I'll call out where this differs from a full eSignature solution. We'll start in your SharePoint document library. Open the library where your team stores files, then upload your contract as a Word document or a PDF. Use a clear file name so the approver instantly knows what they're reviewing. If your organization uses folders or metadata, place the file exactly where it belongs so your process stays organized and easy to find later. Next, head over to Power Automate Online. Choose Create, then pick Automated Cloud Flow so the process can start on its own. For the trigger, select when a file is created in SharePoint. This tells the flow to watch your library and run whenever a new contract is added. Make sure the trigger is pointed at the same site and library where you uploaded the file so it reacts to the right location. This setup helps you eliminate manual emailing and keeps everything consistent. After the trigger is in place, add the approval step. Click New Step and search for Start and wait for an approval. Select an approval type like Approve or Reject, which is perfect for a simple yes or no decision. Then specify the approver's email address so the request reaches the right person. Keep in mind, the approver should have access to the SharePoint library, otherwise they won't be able to open the document link. Now connect the document to the approval. Use the document link coming from SharePoint so the approver can jump directly to the file. When you save and run the flow, the approver will receive an email notification with your request. They can open the link, review the contract, and click Approve directly from the approval email or the approval center. Once they respond, Power Automate automatically records the outcome in the flow's run history, giving you a time-stamped digital record of who approved and when. A quick but important note, this approach is approval-based and not a full legal e-signature tool. It's great for internal sign-offs, quick contract reviews, or policy acknowledgements, but if you need a legally binding signature with features like signer identity verification and certified audit trails, you should use a dedicated e-signature platform. Think of this as a lightweight sign-off workflow that complements but does not replace a formal e-signature process. And that's it. You've uploaded your contract, built an automated approval, and captured a clear record, all within Microsoft 365.